Hello dear friends! Today I'm here to show you how to use properly a foam roller. As you can see, there are many different types. So starting with that, the nicest one for you is the one that it's more comfortable, basically, that you like the most. Because for example, I use the hardest one. I absolutely hate this one. It's uncomfortable, it's painful, but this is a nice type of pain. So this is very hard. So the hardest, of course, the more pain, because the more is going to squeeze and work on your fascia. And yeah, so I'm going to do it with this one. The foam rolling is absolutely the best thing you can do before pre-workout and after workout to muscle recover and to release lactic acid from your muscles, which will cause you muscle pain afterwards from the workout. But also there's lots of reasons. I was very interested about it when I read the book Roar from Dr. Stacy Sims, and she was explaining that specifically for women on perimenopause and menopause and postmenopause is very, very important for us to release it. And there are several reasons, including metabolic reasons, but let's get to it. I'm gonna put the link of the book down there, and you can also just Google. There's tons of studies on it as well. So I'm gonna choose my poison. It's gonna be this one. You at home or at the gym can pick whatever you like. Always start from the bottom to the top. So there's a lot of clients who use it here in my studio. They have pain on the back or on the lower back, for example, and they go straight there. No, you have to do the whole thing. So first, it's very nice to roll a bit your feet, or something I'm gonna talk later, how to use a tennis ball as well to roll it. So I like to roll it a little bit in my feet. There are 27 bones and numerous muscles, and they are connected to all your systems and your organs from your feet, so it's very important to do that. Okay, so here I put my hands on the back. It's up to you again what is nicer, how you hold. And then I lift myself and I roll down and up. And I think the ideal is like 30 seconds for region. You can also do one side first, for example, so I use my other leg, or you can do both sides at the same time. So it's up to you. The more you stay on it, the better it is. Dr. Sims says in her book, so here we go. She says in her book that most athletes go for a massage after working out, after training. And she says, if you don't have a massage, no worries. We're gonna do you can use the foam rolling. It has the same effect on your body. There's lots of studies proving about how efficient it is for training to massage or use foam rolling. So here, I like to go first straight on my hamstrings and all the way down behind my knee, because there are very important lymph nodes there. So we want also to activate all the lymph nodes to drain all the waste in our body. In the big 6 ones, it's here, 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 and here. I will show you. So then you can go to the side. First you can put your foot here or on the back. It's up to you. I like to put it on the back. But we want to work this muscle here all the side. If you struggle with knee pain, this is absolutely necessary. And then you go to the front of the knee. So here I use my hands. Again, I'm showing you one part at a time, and I'm going a bit faster, but please pause the video at home and go on your own pace. And like I said, the more the merrier. Yes. Since we are here, then you can do the inner part of your thigh. It's a bit of a weird position, but you can go like this. So I stretch the other leg. This one I put like a frog. I think that's the best explanation. And then you roll to the side. Yeah? And then you repeat the same thing on the other side, which I'm going to do because I just worked out and I have to do it anyway, so I thought, why not do it together? Here we go. So first the back, then I turn on the sides. And you can always use your arms and your leg to lift your weight, so it helps you to decide how much weight you put of your body on the foam roller. Because of course, the more weight you put, the heavier it is and more painful. Yes, so here, the same thing. You can use this side, like that. A bit like a frog. So one leg stretched and the other one like a frog. Yay! So then we use, from here we go to my favorite part where I have more tension, hips and lower back. So for hips, I start like this, a bit bending to the side, and then you can use your legs to push with your feet up and down. Oh, it's delicious. Yes. Again, I'm gonna go a bit faster here, but you take your time at home. For one side, we go to the middle. Your arms can keep there, and later when you're used to it, you can just elevate. But it's very important that you use your abs and not your neck. You can also do like that. So stay more in the lower middle back now. Up and down, up and down, and then the other side. So again, you can stretch one leg and the other you can bend. You can bend both. It's more about what feels comfortable and easy to you. Here we go. Yes. All around your hip, your glutes. And then from here I go back in the middle. And then here I go all the way on my upper back, where I have also a lot of tension, especially these parts. So here you do sort of a bridge pose. Yeah, you can also go down and up. And again, I use my feet to push it. And I forgot to mention, but of course it's very important that you keep breathing throughout the whole practice. Yeah, here, like I have a lot of pain now, you can also drop your arm for a bit of more intense foam rolling. And me particularly, I like to work a bit also on my neck, a bit on the side, and especially around the two occipital bones, the two bones on the side of your neck, of your skull, at the end of your skull. Yes. So that's it. Then you can finish, like I like to do the ball on my hips because I have a lot of pain. Basically, you put your weight here. The tennis ball doesn't even do anything for me because I have chronic pain there. So I use this, I think it's polo ball. It's a very hard one, so you can also try other ones. But then you just go around, you put the ball there, and you move side to side, up and down, circles, and see what feels good to you. Yes. And then the other side. Yes. Very nice. And sometimes if you spot, you get a spot that is really tense, and you can just stay there. Keep breathing because it's painful. And then finally I finish with the ball rolling on my foot. I'm gonna do sitting because if I stand, I'm not sure if you can see. Let's check. Well, you can still see my foot. So this is actually very delicious. You can even do it when you're sitting on the couch. And my ultimate tool, I'm Brazilian, and in Brazil we use this a lot. It's a wooden massage tool that you can use for your neck. Of course, if you have someone to do it for you, it's much nicer, but it also helps a lot. So I do it on my neck, on my lower back. You can use it like this, on the hips. Even on your guts, is very good for digestion and for all the lymph nodes that are also there to circulate. Here for the lymph nodes. Otherwise, if you don't have this, you can also simply just tap. Yeah? And you can do it in front. Also, of course, relaxed. I use it around my knee, on the back. And if you have calf muscles, you're gonna love it. You do it one day and the other is great. Every time when you have, everywhere when you have muscle pain is because there's not enough oxygen circulating in your muscles. So what movement does, it makes it circulate. That's why my company is called Move to Heal. Thank you so much for doing this with me. I'm really working super hard to try to get more followers on YouTube. So if you like this video, please follow me, or at least give me a like, share with your friends. I have ADHD, a lot of brain injury issues, so it's very hard for me to post, but I love it so much what I do, and I love so much to see people healing and feeling better, and I really hope this helped you. Thank you so much, have a wonderful day, and take care of yourself.